Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha, Senior Software Engineer today. So first I want to tell you friends, wish you happy Durgashtami and Vijayadashmi. So now I am directly jumping into the emerging technology called big data. Before going into the terminology big data, I want to I want to give you some awareness and I want to make you understand. So here I am asking you some questions, few questions. What do you mean by data? What is the information? How you are going to extract information into data and how to define a data. So you already know data is nothing but it's a set of characters and set of raw information. So for all above questionnaires and questions, here are all the answers. Now I am directly jumping into the session big data. So big data is nothing but big data in the information technology and the software field. So now plays a vital role in order to in order to in order to rectify complex business applications and also in order to extract raw data from the information, diagnose and also simplify and also extract unstructured data and structured data to fine-tuned information. For that purpose, big data is used in the software industry. In the coming days and the coming future, big data plays one of the important key role in order to solve the errors, debugs in the complex business application. Now I am coming into benefits of big data and where it is applied. So benefits of big data is big data gives you volumes. It will solve the large volumes of data, and another benefit is it will tell the velocity how to solve the information and how to extract the information into data. And another one is variety. So variety tells about it is used to extract the huge volumes into subcomponents and also to reduce the complexity of the data. So another benefit is like modeling, data manipulation, and reduction of cost, and also